Hey everyone, today's video is not only going to be interesting but essential for all those who keep on posting pictures, videos on social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and all. You might have noticed some people when they post any picture or video, they write a caption along with that post. Caption can be a one word or sometimes it is just a small sentence. Don't you want to write such catchy captions for your social media post? Well, in today's video, you're gonna learn such catchy captions for your social media. So be with me. My name is Trilekha. I make videos on English lessons, personality development, work from home ideas and lot more. And you're watching my channel, Lot to Learn. So let's get started, but before that, if you're new here, do subscribe to my channel. I have number one on my list is this word starstruck. This is the word used for someone who is highly fascinated by any famous personality or celebrity. Most of us are highly influenced by celebrities when it comes to our way of dressing. Say someday you wear a dress which is highly influenced by some celebrity, then this is the most suitable caption. You can post your picture and write starstruck. This one is really interesting. You may not use it while posting your pictures, but you will often see this word on social media and you must know how to pronounce this word and what is the meaning and what is the use of this word. So let me tell you first the pronunciation of this word. We say touche. Say with me, touche. This word is used when someone has made, when you want to acknowledge someone's valid or clever point against you in a debate or an argument. Let me give you an example. You says, it is not good to use phone in the bed at night. Your friend says, you always talk about staying away from your phone at night, but you are mostly found online at night. Then you can say, touche, I can't help it. Now, there is often an opinion war on the social media between two people. It can be friends, it can be colleagues. So if they have made some valid point against you, you can always acknowledge that point and say, touche. Now, the next one is for those kind of people who are very close to our heart. There are people in our life who are just like a family. It can be any of your neighbor, it can be any of your friend or a relative, not very closed one, but you treat them like a family. Say you want to post a picture of yours with them or their picture, then you can write caption fam. So basically, fam represents family. Before I move further, there is a small request which I want to make. There is a friend of mine who has suffered a loss in her business because of COVID. So she has started something new and she has started selling those electronic kapoordanis. If you don't know what is kapoordanis, it is an electronic kapoor holder. So it will burn kapoor and it will spread positivity in the atmosphere. If you don't know the benefits of kapoor, you should ask your elders. It is really beneficial for your surrounding. So go ahead and place your orders. That is not a very expensive thing. I'm going to leave number in the description. Third one we have on our list is throwback. Throwback is the caption which is used when we want to post any of your old memories, old video. So throwback basically means old memories or old videos, old pictures. Now the next one is GOAT. Acronym of this word is greatest of all the time. At times, we feel like posting any song or a movie clip which is all-time favorite, which is sort of evergreen. So that is where we can use this caption, GOAT. This one is pretty simple. You can use this word when you have any of your picture in which you are looking very surprised or shocked. So this is pretty simple to use. Next one is XOXO. This is the way we pronounce this word. We say XOXO. And the meaning of this word is hugs and kisses. So wherever you find this word or wherever you see this word, you can assume the meaning hugs and kisses. Now, the next one is for those ones who travels a lot, who has a strong desire to travel. Say you're a person who keep on traveling to different places and who likes to post your traveling updates on the social media. Then you can use this word and say wanderlust. Wanderlust. We vibin. It's a slang term. which is used when we want to say that we are just chilling out, hanging out, not taking any kind of stress, and just embracing the fresh air and surrounding around us. The next one is kinda unbothered. Meaning of kinda is kind of. So we use this caption when we want to say that we are not bothered what other people think about it or what other people think about what we are doing. So use this caption kinda unbothered when you're not concerned about outside world. Now let me quickly tell you the meaning of some words that are very much trending on the social media, and you must know what does it mean. This one is pretty interesting. Be a badass with a good ass. This is used for someone who is very tough, who is uncompromising, who live life on his or her own terms and condition. The next one is asshole. Asshole is a person who always take others' advice but never follows it. So that person basically does whatever that person want. Back to basics. This is used when someone start living simple life, start wearing simple clothes from their usual life that is very happening. Okay, so when someone comes back to basic, we say back to basic. Another one is no filter. That means this is a picture without any editing. So it is just like the way it is, in its original form. Another one and the last one is Sunday rituals. This caption is used when you do something which you often do on Sundays. So something which on every Sunday you do. It's a part of your every Sunday routine. So you can say Sunday ritual. So, did you enjoy this video? Now go ahead and use these captions in social media. If you come across something new, do share it in the comments so that others can learn from it. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Share your views in the comments.